Hey guys, welcome back to my series Baby Basics, where I'm going to teach you how to do basic things for babies in under 2 minutes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a baby into a car seat and properly strap them in. If you want to learn how to do basic things for babies, go ahead and hit subscribe and the bell notification right next to it. So with your baby in the car seat, put their arms through the outside of the straps, the same way that you would put on a vest. Now this little black bar is called a chest clip. Bring these pieces together until it snaps into place. Now I highly recommend that you get strap covers for the car seat. They cost like $5 and it's a more comfortable experience for your baby. I put some options in the description box to Amazon. The buckle is in between your baby's legs and it has a large red button on it. At the end of each arm strap is a silver prong and it snaps right into the buckle. Full disclosure, Ivy is not in pain in this video. He just needed to take a nap, which most babies do as soon as the car starts moving. So now you're going to need to reduce the slack in your straps before you can tighten them into place. The chest clip should be in the middle of your baby's torso. The strap hanging below at the end of the car seat is the harness adjustment strap. You need to reduce the slack and pull the strap. It may take a couple of times to get it tight enough. If you want to test the straps are tight enough, you can just use your index finger and your middle finger. If it seems too tight, and then loosen it. If it seems too loose, then tighten it. Pretty standard stuff. There's a button right here. You just press it and that actually allows you to loosen it in the same way you take your baby out of the car seat. Make sure you guys stay tuned for another video on how to actually install the base of the car seat into your car. That's the hard part. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for beginner and advanced baby tips. Thank you guys so much for using the Natural Mama method, and we'll see you next time.